different room. Not that I was meant to, but I bought some more stuff from Gymshark. As in the last video, I only really did leggings, so today I thought I'd do tops. Well, I got 2 tops and a bodysuit, and the only reason that I bought this is because my friend reminded me that it was the once a year sale and I needed to get some stuff. I already filmed me opening these items because they arrived when I was back at home, but obviously I've moved, which you can see from here. They'll come on now and then I'll try them on. I just got another Gymshark order. I got 3 things. Also, we just got back from Exeter, so that's what that stuff is. Okay, I think this might be the bodysuit. So the first one is this black bodysuit that I got. I can't show it very well, but here it is. It's the same material as the leggings. It's quite thick, but it's really nice and soft, so I'm really excited to try that on. This is a bralette that I got, and it says Gymshark there, and the back looks like that. It's got a little shark on it. And lastly, another top, and it's got a little zip there. Nothing on the back. I'm excited for this one because it looks like I would wear it normally as well when I'm not just working out. So yeah, that's what I ordered from Gymshark. I've got my laptop right here so I can remember what thing's which, because the names confuse me, but oh well. First, we have this, which is the Gymshark Revival Zip Up Crop Top in black and medium. I'm gonna get changed. Right, so this is it on. Move my hair. It obviously zips all the way up to there. Well, this is usually £17.50, but with the sale, obviously, I had discount, but I don't know how much, and it was once a year, so it won't come back around till next year. But it was £17.50 and I used my student discount on top of the sale. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Got Gymshark down the side, as I said before, and it fits really well. Nearly fell off the bed. I think it fits really good. And this one is not really just a gym top. Like, I think I'm going to wear this outside as well, of working out or dancing. It's really comfy, and I thought the material would be a bit itchy, but it's not. Quite soft and it's quite thick, so I could wear this in the winter too. Right, next thing. This is the Gymshark Rewind bralette in light green and medium again. So this is what this one looks like. Obviously it's got Gymshark there. I think this is quite possibly the most colourful piece of workout clothing that I've got now, and it's just green. Very comfy though, and it fits perfectly. Ooh, actually, thumb doesn't go through this one, it's just an effect. This one, there won't be any accidents. Not that I've had one yet, but I am kind of terrified. This one outside of the sale is usually £21. I think it's worth it. I think it's quite nice. I tested it out over there, but I'm not going to go jumping around in a sports bra on YouTube. This is quite possibly going to be my favourite depending on how the bodysuit looks, because this one fits really well. And I have just eaten and it's not too tight. Excuse the fact that I'm on my bed for this, by the way. I have a small room here, so I don't have a lot of filming space that's also within window lighting. So the next thing is the bodysuit, which I am probably the most excited for. This is very different. Like, I assumed that the sports bras would be quite good, but I definitely wanted to pick one of these up. And this one's called the Gymshark Power Down Long Sleeve Bodysuit in black and medium again. Oh, it's basically on. And it's on. Obviously I'm wearing shorts with it because I am a bit of a bigger girl. Yeah. Not appropriate for YouTube, but it's really nice. It's a bit tight, but it's meant to be. Like, it's very fitting and it hugs onto you. It feels quite thick, so in the winter this would be perfect. The back's really cool as well. I didn't notice this earlier on. Yeah, when I was unpackaging it, I just totally did not turn it over, and I completely missed the back, which is like my favourite part of it now. This bodysuit was £21 too, so same as the green sports bra, and obviously that's not with the discount. I think it's pretty good. I was kind of hoping for a bodysuit that I could wear just with tights, but I think I will always have to have shorts over this. I am very happy with everything I bought in this, and especially because it was the once a year sale, I wasn't going to miss out on it. I did nearly miss it though, so thank you, Nikita. I hope this has maybe helped if anyone's looking into how Gymshark is and if it's worth the money. I've always found that it is worth the money, but that is only the things I have got myself, which obviously are the leggings that you saw in the past one and the stuff that I've shown in this one. But obviously that's only my experience with the clothes, and I will try and keep that updated. But yeah, that's all for this one, and I will see you next time.